Hi, this is Kathleen Reynolds. I'm a faculty member at Harper in the ESL department, and I'm the advisor for Harper International Students Club. Students, while you are doing flexible learning from now until April 12th, the International Students Club won't be meeting, but we would like to invite you to join us on Instagram. We will be sharing information that might help you during the time of flexible learning. We will also be having fun, sharing resources, and you can connect with other students who are in similar situations from you. So please follow us on Instagram at Harper International Students. You can also message us if you have any questions. You can also message us if you'd like to join our group chat just for some more conversation. This is my email address if you have any questions or problems with this. And ESL at harpercollege.edu is the general email address for our department. You can always email that if you need some assistance. Thank you.